What is up, you guys? Back at it again with another shout out. This is day 4. Shout out to Skate the King. He also has a YouTube channel and he does video gaming. So if you are into video games, go and subscribe to him. Shout out to Snoopy. He's always commenting on my videos, and that's pretty cool. Another shout out, Abel. He used to do sick beats on his channel. I'm not sure if he still does, but go subscribe to him. Shout out to Dana, my coworker. She subscribed, so thank you, Dana. And shout out to this guy right here for giving me advice on my welding abilities. I will use those in future projects, and I'm sure it will help me out a lot. I have no idea what to do. You guys should go in the comments and give me some ideas, like, what do you want to see? What do you want to see that doesn't cost money? Because, you know, mortgage. So for those of you who are curious about the Mk1 Rabbit, I'm kind of not driving it right now because I think I might have messed something up. Now I'm not 100% sure if this is a bad thing. I know it's not a good thing, but I've raced the Audi. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check that out. On the way home, there was like smoke rolling into the cabin, and it didn't smell bad, so I wasn't sure if it was my heater core, because I got that hooked up, which I'm gonna disconnect because it is hot as hell in the car when you're driving it in this heat. And but it wasn't. It was this freaking PCV valve. Or I'll show you. This thing right here. You can see the oil. I don't know if it blew up. I don't know if that's oil, because it didn't smell like oil. It might just be like buildup, you know, like technically I should have a catch can, so that's going to be in a future video. I'm just out of funds right now. Yeah, that shot some stuff out all over. You can see some seepage right there, all over here. Yeah, hopefully it's nothing serious. I thought it was oil. It might not be oil. It might just be that stuff that you catch in the catch can, that nasty stinky stuff. But yeah, that's what's up with this thing. I gotta acquire the funds to get a catch can system for this bad boy. Just don't know. This one's different from, you know, the 1.8 turbo engine. And I'm not entirely sure if they make a kit for this. So if anybody knows of a kit, let me know, and I will purchase it. But yeah, see, now that, I'm proud of that. And people ask me, why did I sell my Mark 6 GTI and didn't sell this? Well, this is what makes me happy. There's nothing better than a 40-year-old car going way faster than it ever should have. And God, the torque steer on this thing This car is insane. And, you know, it might not be the fastest car in the world, but as fast as it is, this thing feels like a rolling death trap. And it just gets your adrenaline going every time you step on the gas. Even though you gotta wait for the boost to load forever, but this thing's insane. And I got lots and lots of plans for it, and it's not going anywhere. I wanna do interior. I wanna fully build an engine. Maybe do a dash swap. Just a complete overhaul of this car. It's a great car, zero rust, you know. Idaho cars ain't got no rust. But right now it's just waiting for that money, you know. Anybody want to sponsor me? If anybody wants to hook it up with the air to water intercooler system, that'd be awesome. PayPal's in the description. Okay, I'm just gonna end it right here. We'll get one last look at this car. Hopefully it's not blown up. Okay, till tomorrow. This time fall.
Yeah, go forward that one.
Like fake fall. Whoa! That wasn't
Are you
fake!
okay?
That was real!